and gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog on this gorgeous Sunday. It's the most beautiful day of the week. It's the most beautiful day of the year. It's the most beautiful day in general. Is my boy on an electric bike? I think he might be. He is cruising. Good for him. Nice. Look at it, dude. It's literally an electric little bicycle. And he's pretending to be a real boy. Anyway, ladies, gents, hello. How's everybody doing on this morning? Speed cameras, railroad crossings. Yeah, it's a foggy little day. I did not expect it to be this much of a mess. But nonetheless, we're chilling, we're cruising. Had a great time last night. Had some Filet Mignon. What was that? Shortcut? Maybe? No. Hung out with some friends. Filet Mignon. Just a good time all around. You know? Good time all around. And now I'm gonna inch my way home on this gray, drizzly day. Leaving Nutley. Didn't even have a coffee, but didn't want it. Perfect. Thinking about stopping for a breakfast sandwich somewhere, maybe not. There are no rules, you know. That's the beauty of life, beauty of living la vida loca. There's no rules. Go. There you go. Come on, sir. You got this. Gonna go home. Gonna watch a little bit of MotoGP. Little Le Mans MotoGP. Shark MotoGP. So that's kind of fun. Always a good time. Get on a highway for a few miles. Only 17 miles to go. It's a quick little jolt. I'm gonna decide if I'm gonna go through Queens or through Manhattan. Might go through Queens. Not sure yet. There we go. We enter Route 3. Empty. Completely empty. Oh, these gloves are starting to tear everywhere. They're really done. There we go. I don't even feel like going fast. I just feel like chilling. Oh shit, these boys are racing. It's a race scenario. Nice. Everybody's racing. People are on fire. How much gas we got? Oh, plenty of gas. Are we in 6th gear? Yeah, 6th gear. There we go. Oh man, this is so nice. So lovely. Really, bro? That boy was swerving. not really in the mood to talk much. How about this would be like riding ASMR kind of scenario. People are going much faster than me, so I picked it up a little bit, picked up the pace. I'm not trying to be the fastest vehicle, but I'm certainly not the slowest. The fog, man, there was actually a warning about the fog today, like on my little weather app, if you know what I mean. Beautiful. Into the unknown. Into the mist. It's bright and cute. Bright and cute. So what would you guys like to see? Manhattan or Queens? I feel like I don't do Queens enough. Oh man, I was gonna plug in this phone. I should do that. Do have a charger. It's all good. It might survive, it might not. Little gas station. Been there, done that, got the gas. It's gonna be a gorgeous day, I can tell. Borelli's. Saw that on Yelp. Beautiful. Look at that Volvo. I mean, Audi dealership. Haven't been there. Uh-oh. There is a broken bus. Rotro, what you gonna do? Look at him. Couldn't even make it to the end. Got down. Savagery. much more relaxing of a ride than the ride out, huh? Ride out was like madness. Well, it was supposed to rain and I was trying to beat the rain, and then like I hope you get to see that ride because it might be a little too spicy. Really, Dick? The fuck was that? There we go. Whoa. Whoa. Folks are just swerving. I don't know what's going on here. Don't want to be in that lane, tell you what. XXX. Yeah, here's I'm all the way in. But today I'm all the way out, which is okay, which is all right. I just want to be a superstar. I think I'm gonna go through Manhattan. I think I'll just cruise down 2nd Avenue like nice and chill, because I don't do that often enough. Queens is fun and all, but Queens is played out, yo. Do you want to stop somewhere and get a breakfast sandwich? Do I? I mean, I could. I could. Why is this happening, bro? We're good? All right. One tunnel. Strange. Gonna go through Manhattan. Or maybe Queens. Boing, 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 boing. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vlog.